uba bindu emlanong bolong teng ulampang ke yeng do bar thawain kachala ubala tho ya ka wei kot ya ka bol ai kerteng the Golden Meghalaya ka bawla punwan dur nadu ka por jong ka chingdawa ban yo ya kachala bapura nadu bai kon ya ka hill state nakaliang jong ba bindu ulai thu ba kani kot ka kadau nadu ki por ki ba munshwa ha ka por padun ka chingdawa hill state ban yo ya kachala jong naka Assam.
The major political developments within these last 50 years. So I have tried my best to mention in this book, so that they will be, of good help, and history will be there for the scholars, for the students, for members of the public in general, to know about how the state was formed, how the governments were formed, and all that. So, briefly, but straight to the point, I have covered all those developments in this book. So there is a Khasi section, Garo section, but mainly English. Khasi the book is in English, and there is also Khasi section and Garo section.